Hey, good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Some more examples of union of assets, intersection of assets, and difference of assets, and some more examples are completed. Today, let us go to the continuation of the concept. So, next in exercise, how many problems are completed? This is 3 problems are completed. Next go to fourth problem. If A is equal to 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, next B is equal to 3 4 5 6, C is equal to 5 6 7 8, and D is equal to 7 8 9 10. This is the problem. So many bits are there. First to A union B. Okay, first bit to A union B. A union B is equal to what? 1 2 3 4, union B 3 4 5 6, that is equal to A union B. A union B is equal to what is the union? Combined the all elements of the given sets, and the repeated elements are write down one time, only one time. We have to write one time. So 1 no, the least number is 1 no, 1 time. So 2 also only single time. Next 3 2 times 3. Next 4 2 times. Next there is no value in the set A, so set B has 5 6 also write down. All combined the all elements. For example, A union B, B union C, C union D, D union A, these are all same method. So next one, A union B union C, A union B union C. We can find directly, or first two sets. Okay, we have to find first two, and A union A is a set to, B is a set to, A union B is also one of the set. So A union B union C, two types. First direct and two methods, two types. First, this is A union B union C. So what is the A union B? Note here, what is the A union B? A union B is equal to what? A union B, A union B already is there. A union B is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Union C. First we have to find A union B. Okay, already A union B is there. So direct, write down directly, or there is no value of A union B, so we have to calculate. After again A union B union C. So what is C? C is equal to 5 6 7 8, that is equal to union 1 2 3 4 up to 4. There is no, only first set 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5 2 times, can write one time. Next 6 2 times, one time. Next 7 8 2, 7 8 2. Next same, A union A intersection B. A intersection B is equal to 1 2 3 4. A intersection B, B is equal to 3 4 5 6. So intersection means common in the both sets, common element. 1 is 1 is there only set A, not set B, so not consider. 1 is not right. So 2 is only first set, not there in second set. So 3 is first set and second set, common, 2 sets. The 3 has 2 sets, so 3. Next 4 is also first set and second set. Next 5, 6 only single set. So this is 8 section. Next A intersection B intersection C. So that is equal to A intersection B intersection C. What is the A intersection B? A intersection B is equal to 3, 4. C is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer? B intersection. So 3 is only in their first set. So not consider. 4 is only in the first set. So 5, 6, 7, 8 are the only in the second set, not a common element. A intersection B and C there is no common element. So empty set. There is no element. So or empty set. This is the third, fourth problem and fifth problem. Next, sixth problem. Sixth problem, if A is equal to, fourth problem only 2 problems I did say, remaining are homework, remaining A intersection A union B, B union C are homework, you have to do homework. So fifth problem also, what is the meaning of fifth problem? Same data, in the fourth problem all bits are union. Okay, fourth problem data A B C D kottaru, problem ella ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ಸೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು. ಬಟ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದೇ ಡೇಟಾ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಎ ಡೇಟಾ ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಡೇಟಾ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಸೊ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬದಲು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಅದು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್, ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮು ಎ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 7, 9, 11, 13. C is equal to 7, 11, 13. C is equal to 11, 13, 15. D is equal to 15, 17. D is equal to 15, 17. Okay. First bit to A intersection B, B intersection C, they all are known. A intersection C intersection D, B intersection D. So one more problem, all are you have to do homework. First problem, A intersection B union C, A intersection B union C ಬೇಕು. But A intersection B union C means first we have to calculate B union C. What is A? First A intersection B union C. So first B union C. What is B? B is equal to 7, 9, 11, 13. Union C. C is equal to 11, 13, 15. So what is the B union C? 7, 9, all elements 7, 9, 11 2 times, so you can write 1 time, 13 2 times, so and 15. So what is next to A intersection B union C? What is A? A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. This is A. A intersection B union C. What is the B union C? 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. This intersection B union C. So what is it? This is in between intersection. Intersection means what? Common. 3 not taken because only single. 5 is single. So 7. 2 sets. 7 has the 7 is in the 2 sets. 7. Next to 9. 7, 9. Next 11 also common in both sets. Next 13, 15 are only in the set, second set. So this one, this type. Okay. Understand? Next. A union D intersection B union C. A union D intersection B union C. First A union D. A union D. First we have to find A union D. What is A? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 union D. D is equal to 15, 17. So all elements. So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 15, 17. So A union D is equal to what? A union D is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 15, 17. Intersection B union C. Already 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. So intersection. What is the common? 3 is not common, 7 is not common, 5, 7, 7, 9, 11, 15, 7, 9, 11, 15. Intersection. Intersection means common elements on both sets. Common elements on the both sets. So all are easy problems, so that's why I didn't solve the problems. Already in SSLC A already known. Some easiest A union B intersection B all are same, easy. So that's why I didn't solve the problems. So seventh one, if A is equal to X such that X is a natural number, X is a natural number, so B is equal to X such that X is an even natural number. X is an even natural number. C is equal to X such that X is an odd natural number. Odd natural number. So D is equal to set of all x such that x is a prime numbers, x is a prime numbers, this one. So A intersection B, A union B, A intersection B both are. So solution, what is equal to A? A is a natural number. This is set builder form. Set builder form can write into roster form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 and so on. Infinite set, because natural numbers are this infinite set. What is B? B is equal to even natural number. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. C is equal to odd natural numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. D is equal to prime numbers. Prime numbers means factors, any number that factors are 1 and itself. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ అనేవి ಅದು 1 ಅದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ 1 ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ 3, 5, 7, 9 ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 3 3s, 9 1s, 1 9s, 3 3s. ಸೊ 3 is a factor. 11, 13, 17 and so on. The what is the first one? A intersection B. What is A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. Intersection. B is equal to even natural number. 6, 8, 10 and so on. Now what is A intersection B? In A, B, in both A natural number, B is the even natural number. So what is the common elements? Even natural numbers is common. So in natural numbers, even natural numbers also there. All even natural numbers also there. So common elements, what is the common elements? This is the common. Compulsory, all even natural numbers are belongs to A in their natural number. So what is the, so that is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 to 10, that is equal to what? B. So A intersection B is equal to B. So what is the second one? A intersection C. A intersection C is equal to what is A? 1, 2, 3 and so on. 1, 2, 3 and so on. Intersection C is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. So meaning what in the then A is equal to B union C, because the natural numbers are divided into two parts. What is the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so all numbers is a natural numbers. The natural numbers are divided into two parts of any number 1 to 10. 1 to 10 has half even numbers, half even odd numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many numbers are there? 6 numbers. In 6 numbers, how many even numbers and how many odd numbers? How many even numbers? 1, 3, 5, 3. How many even numbers? 2, 4, 6. In total, in natural number, half of the numbers are odd natural numbers, half of the numbers are even natural number. So A is equal to what? Natural numbers. B is equal to what? Even numbers. C is equal to what? Odd numbers. Odd numbers to even numbers union is equal to natural number. So A intersection C. What is C? Odd number. What is the common? In natural numbers, even numbers are there and odd numbers also there. Even numbers, odd numbers also there. All even numbers in their natural numbers in the set A. All the odd numbers in their set A. So the intersection is the, what is intersection is odd number 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So that is equal to C. A intersection B is equal to B, A intersection C is equal to C. The final result is C. Okay, clear? So natural numbers, both even numbers and odd numbers, both even natural numbers and odd number even natural numbers is equal to the natural number. So half of the natural numbers, half of the even numbers equal to the natural number. In natural number, for example 10 natural number, in 10 natural numbers 5 even numbers and 5 odd numbers. Compulsory half of numbers even numbers, half of numbers odd numbers. So natural numbers ki even numbers ki common numbers enu even numbers. So natural numbers ki odd numbers ki common numbers enu odd numbers. Okay, natural numbers means total numbers. Natural numbers ki even numbers ki common numbers even numbers. Natural numbers ki odd numbers ki common numbers odd numbers. Okay, so next A intersection D. Next third one, A intersection D. So A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and so on. Intersection D is equal to prime numbers. Prime numbers is equal to 3 5 7 11 13 and so on. Natural numbers ki prime numbers ki in natural numbers dalli prime numbers kuda irtavu. Natural numbers dalli even numbers irtavu, odd numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, all numbers are there in natural number. So natural numbers ki even numbers ki common even numbers, natural numbers ki odd numbers ki common odd numbers, natural numbers ki prime numbers ki common elements prime numbers, natural numbers ki composite numbers ki common elements composite numbers. Okay, so that is equal to prime numbers. So 3 5 7 11 13, that is equal to D. Okay, this is the small A intersection. B intersection C. Fourth one, B intersection C. What is B? Even numbers. What is C? Odd numbers. Odd even numbers, odd numbers. There is no common because if 2 4 6 8 and so on, this is 1 3 5 7 and so on. Even numbers, odd numbers, the common, there is no common element. So intersection is equal to pi. Even numbers, odd numbers has common, there is no common element. Listen, 1 no, this is 2, 1 no, 4, 3, there is no even number, there is no odd number. So intersection is pi. B intersection C. Next to B intersection D. B intersection D is equal to B is a even number, so D is a prime number, so there is no common element in the B and C. B emu even numbers, D prime numbers, B ki D ki common element enilla. So both are different sets. So this is also pi. Next to sixth one. C intersection D. C intersection D. C intersection C is equal to odd number, so D is equal to prime number, so common elements, they are the common numbers. So what is the common numbers? 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. So what is this? Only 3, not 1. 1 is there means so 3 all that is equal to C intersection D is equal to what? D. All prime numbers in their odd numbers. All prime numbers even odd numbers dalli irtavu. Okay, ella prime numbers odd numbers dalli irtavu. So ella odd numbers prime numbers alla onduko ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ 3 5 7 small, not all odd numbers not there in prime numbers, all prime numbers is there in ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಆಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸು ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮಾಡಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನು, ಯೂನಿಯನ್ನು, ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನು ಆರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೈನ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇಫ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. B is equal to 3. What is A? Is the multiple of 3. Okay, so this is multiple of 4. B is equal to 4 into 2, 8 into 3, 12, 16, 20, up to 20. Next, C is equal to multiple of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Next, D is equal to multiple of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. This one. What is A minus B? First one. A minus B. What is A? A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. B. What is B? B is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. What is the meaning? A minus B ಅಂದರೆ A ಇಂದ Bನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. delete, remove B from A. Okay, remove B from A. So A set has some elements and B set has some elements. So in the set A, B elements are removed. will be removed. A అనేది ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ಟು, ಬಿ అనేది ಅನದರ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟು. ಸೊ ಎ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂದ ಬಿ ಸೆಟ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಅದು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸೆಟ್ಟು, ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸೆಟ್ಟು. ಎ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಅದಾವು ಅಂದರೆ ಅವು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ತೆಗೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, only what is 4? 4 is there in? No 4. 8, no 8. Next 12, there is no 12. Next 16, no 16. 20. Okay, so A minus B is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So A minus B is equal to what? A minus B is equal to A. Next, same as it is A minus C. A minus C is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. C is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay. A set ಇಂದ ಸಿ ಸೆಟ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಅದಾವಂದರೆ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಟೂ ಇದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. 2 ಇಲ್ಲ. 4 ಇಲ್ಲ. 6 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, 6 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ 6. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 8 ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೋ 8. 10 ನೋ. 12 ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ 12 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ರಿಮೂವ್. 14, 16. So in the set A, how many numbers are will remove? 2 numbers, 3, 9, 6 ಇಲ್ಲ 12. ಯಾಕೆ? ಈ 6 12 ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. A ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಎದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡು. 3, 9, 15, 18, 21. Okay, A minus C, because so many are there. A minus C, A minus D, B minus A, C minus A, D minus A, B minus C, B minus D. Okay, we have to do same. Okay, next. X is R is the set of all real numbers. Q is the set of all rational number. What is the R minus Q? Problem number 11. R real number, Q is the rational number. Irrational number, Q dash and for example. Real number is equal to real numbers. Real numbers is equal to rational numbers. Rational numbers plus irrational numbers. Rational number plus irrational numbers. Okay, real numbers denoted by R, rational number equal to Q, plus irrational number denoted by suppose Q star. Okay, what we have to find out? R minus Q. R minus Q is equal to what? Q star. Real numbers minus rational numbers is equal to irrational numbers. Real number is equal to rational number plus irrational number. Real number minus rational number is equal to irrational number. This is the answer. Last problem in the exercise. Disjoint sets. What is meant by disjoint set? Disjoint sets. A intersection B is equal to pi. The two sets intersection equal to empty set 2. Two sets intersection is equal to empty set 2. So that two sets are called disjoint sets. The two sets are called disjoint set. This is definition. Disjoint. You have any two sets intersection is equal to pi means the two sets are called disjoint sets. So, a problem. 2, 3, 4, 5. First bit. 2, 3, 4, 5. And 2, 3, 4, 5. And 3, 6. Or disjoint set or problem meaning state whether each of the following sets are true or false. Justify your answer. True or false means what the first one? This is the set and second the disjoint sets and question mark. Is it two sets are disjoint or yes or no? Yes or no? Justify your answer. Justify your answer means this is how to, this is what, how to disjoint test, how, okay, true or false. So for example, this is A is equal to solution, A is equal to 2 3 4 5, B is equal to 3 6. So A intersection B is equal to, A intersection B means the common element in two sets. So 2 is not common, 3 common. So 3 means not equal to pi. Pi means what? Empty set 2, there is no element. So 3 is one of the elements is there. So this is not equal to pi. Not equal to pi means not a disjoint. Disjoint is opposite to joint set. Not a, that is true or false? False. True means disjoint. Disjoint andre true. Equal to pi andre true. Disjoint. Not disjoint means false. Why false? This is A intersection B is not equal to pi. And false. Next and one more bits are there. Second, third, fourth, 3 bits are there. 3 bits. What is the meaning of disjoint? The two sets, for example, if A intersection B is equal to pi, if A intersection B is equal to pi, then A and B set, two sets are disjoint sets, otherwise disjoint sets, otherwise means not equal to pi. So check whether the given following sets are disjoint. Andre disjoint means yes, not equal to, not disjoint means false. This is equal to pi means disjoint, not equal to pi means not disjoint, disjoint means true, not equal to pi means false. This is exercise completed. The remaining any balance problems bits you can do. So tomorrow go to the next topic. Okay, thank you.